Okay, yeah, we know how it goes. Some people cheer for the football, but let's be honest, the best part, we all agree about the big game coming up, is the food. My next guest is bringing his own game day MVPs to the snack table. Chef Todd Leonard is our guy, and he joins me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share. Great to see you always.
So good to see you.
I was actually curious, like, what would Todd want at the Super Bowl? Because, A, you're a guy, you know, and we want to feed the men that are on the couch cheering for the team, and you're a chef, so who better?
Normally I want meat.
But today we're talking sides.
Yeah, these are just snacks.
Okay, snacks.
So I love green beans, but I love them fried. It's so good.
You fry your green beans?
Yeah, you just take a green bean.
Yeah.
You blanch it in ocean water.
Like salt water. Thank you. I had to translate.
Water.
Yeah. Okay. You see me blinking?
And you trim them up.
Okay.
And then literally we just deep fry them.
Okay. How are we doing this?
Deep fryers. I wanted to talk about deep fryers because deep fryers are tricky.
Yeah.
And everybody gets a little nervous, but this literally is a Walmart special.
Okay.
And it was 60 bucks.
Really?
60 bucks.
It looks legit though.
It's legit.
Yeah.
It's totally legit. So first, when you go to fry anything, you want a good seasoned flour. So we're gonna put Chef Todd's Pit seasoning in there, some salt.
I reach
some
for that all
pepper,
the time at my house, Chef Todd.
some parsley.
Yes.
Some dill.
Okay.
And some pepper flakes.
And you're gonna use that mixture on all of the food today?
Yep.
Okay.
Just the green beans and the pickles. Yep.
Okay.
So then we get that stirred up really well.
And why blanch it in the ocean water or the salt water?
Because then it gives it a little bit of saltiness and brings out the more natural flavor of the green beans.
So don't skip that step, Brooke,
Don't skip that step.
Okay.
Yep, don't skip that step. So next, we're gonna make the batter, which is super easy.
So flour first, then batter?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, this is like the easiest batter on the face of the earth. So it's basically just a tempura batter. And I'm gonna go 3 eggs.
Okay.
2 eggs, you can do 2 eggs is fine too. It works just fine, but you gotta figure like how much flour. And then usually just 1 normal can. These are like smaller cans, so I'm putting 2 in.
All right. Club
so we
soda?
go 2 club soda.
Club soda?
2 to 3 eggs, but Mountain Dew works great.
Okay, use what you have.
Mountain Dew works great.
I don't know what I expected, but this isn't it.
A little bit of pepper flake, a little bit of salt, a little bit of parsley.
And why the carbonation? Why the fizz?
That gives it lightness.
Oh.
So it gives the whole batter lightness. So batter and breading is different. So breading, you actually are gonna take the product and go flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumb.
Okay.
Where this batter is literally just this liquid with flour. And it's, so you really couldn't air fry with batter. But breading, you can just put the whole breaded item right in the air fryer. You don't have to deep fry.
Okay.
Okay, so wanted to make sure we touch base on that.
Yeah.
Now, 2 cups of flour.
Okay.
So you put your flour in there.
Yes.
And then we stir that up. And see how nice and light that's gonna be? That is a good tempura.
Okay.
And you can do sweet potatoes, you can deep fry mushrooms,
oh my goodness,
any of those vegetables. Good way to get the kids to eat them.
Yeah, gotta hide it in something.
And Dad.
It's this or ranch, yeah, exactly.
Yep, so there you go. So there's the batter, really, really nice batter.
I'm intrigued, okay.
Yeah, that's simple, make tempura.
Okay, so then I put the blanched green beans in the flour and then in the tempura?
Yep, so we got green beans, then we got some really good pickles.
You're excited.
Are you kidding me? Bring it on. We got really good pickles. Okay. So then we're gonna deep fry this.
Wait, when does the batter come in?
Batter comes in right now.
Oh, right now.
So then we make sure you cover them with flour because the flour is gonna help the batter stick to them.
Okay.
So get all these little tasty treats in the batter now. Boom, boom, boom. And then you take your batter. Try not to make as big a mess as me.
Listen, we welcome the mess.
Yeah. So then we drop those baskets down in there for me.
Okay.
And then you literally just let it sit there just for a second and then drop it in. And that
oh my goodness.
is deep fried green beans.
And how long, minutes-ish?
Probably, the green beans are mostly cooked, so as soon as that batter's crisp, which is gonna take about maybe a minute or 2.
Okay.
And you'll be in business.
I'm suddenly wanting to invest in a little fryer.
Yeah, they're cheap.
Why not?
Storage is the issue, so if you have good storage, then life is good.
You tell you got one. Okay, so we've got our pickles going, we've got our beans going. What's the third little snack, as you call it?
So the mushrooms, those are really easy and fun and cool.
I'll babysit.
Look at those, you're deep frying.
Yeah.
I love it. So the mushrooms are really easy. You take Jimmy Dean hot sausage, okay?
Yes.
Any grocery store.
Hot or mild?
Simple. hot sausage.
Okay.
It makes a big difference, actually.
All right.
You just cook that down with shallots and garlic until it's completely cooked. And then you literally mix a thing of cream cheese in with it.
Ooh.
Yep. You mix that up, and you can add herbs.
Yeah.
So I usually add a little extra salt and pepper. I add a little extra parsley.
Okay.
I add a little extra salt. And then you take the cream cheese after this is cooled.
Oh, yum.
Then you take the cream cheese, and
Melt
then you
it
end
down.
up with a little something like that. Okay?
Yes.
So once that's done, then we take mushrooms right here, and these are little cremelli mushrooms.
Better you than me.
Yep. So you just peel these down like this, very simple, and you don't have to peel them, but if you want to make sure they're good and clean and everything,
And then you
just
hollow
peel
them out. How are we looking over here? We feel
Yep.
good about that? Or more?
Yeah, they
more?
talking to you?
Yeah, more?
Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, a little more.
A little more.
Look how nice and lovely those are.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
if I
wow.
served this on Super Bowl Sunday,
You're gonna be
I'm
a
hero.
star.
Okay,
You're
then
gonna be
we
a star.
running out of time quickly. So we fill up the mushrooms.
Yep, and then you literally just take a little bit of your filling, just ball it up, and put it right in the mushroom.
Okay, look at this presentation. How's this for an appetizer plate? I say yes. Dipping sauces are what?
That's a little Thai chili, a little fry sauce,
Oh my
and
gosh,
you just dip
Todd.
away. It's so
Amazing.
tasty, so easy.
Listen.
and it's anybody can do it.
We celebrate you every day. I hope you know that. But big celebration because come here. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous book. Tell us about this.
J'adore is a collaborative book written by me and all the other
Oh my
chefs
goodness.
at
Hold on.
UVU Culinary Arts.
I want you to see this.
All the artwork, pictures, design was done by our arts department
At UVU.
at UVU and the students. So this is a
It's
really good
stunning.
collaborative book. We've won some awards, publishing awards
It's
with
stunning. It's art.
it. Really, really fun.
It's art with great recipes inside. Where do we get a copy?
UVU bookstore, of course.
Of course.
As you're signing up for UVU Culinary School.
Of course. In my spare time.
Yep, and then Orson Giggy sells it. True Religion Pancake and Steakhouse sells it in Orem.
Okay.
But yeah, it's kind of a unique book. We hope you would enjoy it.
Congratulations.
And, this copy's for you. So
Thank you. Congrats.
You betcha.
It's gorgeous. I've been paging through it. All recipes I want to make while staring at food that I want to eat. So we'll link you to all of the shops where you can purchase your own. What a great giftable. Thank you, Todd, so
You're
much.
welcome.
And snacks are on the table for Super Bowl Sunday.